The secret strategy is to show up on the Near Me searches in the Map 3 pack for your services in more and more locations. That's the key. In more locations, as number 1. Near Me searches. When you search for sushi near me, Sushi Century City, or just sushi, the first results are the ones recommended by Google in the Map 3 pack, based on the location of the person searching. You know all this already. What you don't know is how to multiply your results by reaching up to 49 times more of your target audience without having to spend more on advertising. Now that's a trick worth learning. Don't you think? That's what you will learn here today. That's the secret of successfully showing up on the Near Me searches. So, if you've always wanted to be on page 1 but couldn't afford to, or if you wanted to increase your reach to more locations and didn't know how, now is the time to pay attention. More reach equals more revenue. What actually happens when you show up on page 1 of a search engine and reach your target audience? Maximum reach happens when you show up on page 1 because nearly 100% never go beyond page 1 to look for a business. But the first page is so elusive, so expensive. Ouch! Until now. Can you imagine being at the right place, page 1? At the right time, at the exact moment someone is searching for your exact service. Being at the right place at the right time is possible for you now. When do you need to show up? When a person is looking locally and needs your services desperately. When they are desperate and they need you is when you need to show up to help them. They are busy. We all are. So they normally take the easy way out. They choose whoever shows up on page 1. That's what makes it money time for you. That is why businesses want to get in front of their audience. Businesses will kill for this. That's how much and how well they know the value of the 3-pack. Do you want it? Before we proceed to the secret of showing up on the most coveted place on earth, the first page of a search engine. How many more leads can you handle, and how soon do you want them?